Today we are at the Ford dealership in Vietnam, the An Giang branch. Starting July 2025, Ford dealerships in Vietnam start using 9CIRCLE equipment for their standard maintenance service. This is after they found out that Toyota and Honda dealerships in Vietnam in June started using our products. And today we are here to provide them training so they know how to use our products for their standard maintenance service. And starting July 2025, dealerships from Ford in Vietnam will start using 9CIRCLE products.
315nó chạy đều có thể là
You see, it already started the product start resolving. Of course, when you get engine wrong and it's hot, the process is fast. Hi, we are at Isuzu dealership in Vietnam. In the beginning, in June, we started with Toyota and Honda. Then, for July, we start with Ford dealership, all of them using 9CIRCLE products for their standard maintenance procedure. Now, also starting at the end of July, Isuzu will start using more equipment for their standard procedure of maintenance. And right now, we are going to do training on them on how to use our products.